Hi everyone, my name is Nessa and I will be reading to you today's prayer. So sit back, relax, and here's today's prayer. It is, for I know the plans I have for you. Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11. Here's chapter 29 and we're looking for verse 11. I had it marked, but apparently I lost it. Here we go. For I know the plans I have for you, said the Lord. They are plans for good and not for disaster, to give you a future of hope. So, there you go. I want to say this in closing. Dear Lord, please send prayers, love and prayers to those in need. Please be blessed. Take care. Be safe. See you back here tomorrow for another prayer of the day. Sending love and prayers to all. Bye for now.